The Aussie versus US dollar is down sharply in trading here today. The catalyst, unemployment statistics out of Australia came in much weaker with a decline of minus 52.8 thousand jobs. They're expecting 30.8 thousand. So that was a big move that led to the price moving to the downside. Since then, some technical levels have been broken. That's what I'm going to focus on in this video. So let's get started. Let's look at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair, and we saw earlier this week the price break above the 100-day moving average. That's a blue line in this chart. We came down toward it right here on a corrective move. We tried to stay above and then started to trade above and below the level. In trading here today, we fell back below that 100-day moving average and then used that level as resistance right here before rotating to the downside. Since then, we've seen the price move back below the 200-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Those are the green and blue lines in this chart, and is now down testing this swing area. The swing area goes back to, well, you can put its roots all the way back to this area right through here where we tried to form a ceiling before moving to the downside, or did form a ceiling, trade above and below the level right here, and then reestablish some support here before moving to the upside. Then we would move below it. The price action is up and down, but you can see the number of different times that the price came within this area and either found support or resistance at the area before either moving lower or higher. The last week we came down to the area as well, 1, 2, 3, 4 different times, and bounced off of each of those levels. And then in trading here today, we're back down toward this area once again. So there's a lot of red arrows within that area going back in time. Admittedly, the price has been above and below it. Below it, there are times where we had failed breaks and times either to the upside or to the downside that quickly reverse. But overall, the area has been a point of reflection or deflection for traders, so we're going to pay attention to it. It comes in at 0.6254 to 0.6268. If we break below that level, then we should see further momentum to the downside on that break to break below that level. Now, conversely, this is a swing area that we could find support against. So we did in trading last week, and that's going to be on the traders' minds right now. Because at that time as well, we also fell below the 100, 200 bar moving averages, so the bias turned more to the downside, but we could not get below that swing area. Be aware of that. Be aware of that. We've had a big day to the downside. The pair is down minus 1.32%. That's a pretty good percentage move to the downside. So this area might just be a support target that traders can lead against for a rotation back up toward the moving averages, and we'll see what happens against that level. So be aware, be prepared. My name is Greg McCloskey with this technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.